The objective of the Finance Scholars Program at Kansas State is to basically make the top students better prepared for and aware of the opportunities that are out there. It just opens a world to them.
The Finance Scholars Program is targeted towards very motivated individuals that are looking for careers in higher finance.
A community of kind of driven individuals that push each other with the ultimate goal of kind of placing you in a target area of yours for your career.
And it's just a great place to build relationships, learn as much as possible, and get a better understanding of the industry.
It provides students resources, connects them with industry professionals. There's scholarship involved.
The technical skills that we were able to learn throughout the program and practice and do competitions with truly set my skill set apart.
Overall, it allows them to stay up to par. It levels the playing field a lot for you so that it's kind of in your hands.
One of the biggest things that I got out of the program was the mentorships and the relationships that were built.
Industry professionals, alumni and non-alumni.
The relationships are really what carry throughout, and that has helped push me to where I am today.
We're trying to be super competitive.
The primary goal is to kind of introduce students to these companies, see what's out there, get that kind of real world feel that you don't really get in a classroom.
I've gone on tons of trips. I've gone to Dallas, I've gone to Chicago 3 times, I've gone to New York, Boston, Singapore, I've gone to London, Paris, and how many college kids can say that they did that?
It's something that's going to last forever, and then especially New York, that kind of solidified to me that I want to move there.
Coming on this trip, getting exposed to the breadth of knowledge and the breadth of industry experience that all these people have, that really helped me to really get a foot in the door where I wanted to be.
I attribute everything that I've been able to achieve to Finance Scholars and the professors that have helped guide us.
I've had so many cool opportunities with the Finance Scholars. I didn't necessarily know that I would be lucky enough to have the opportunities that I have had. It's been amazing.
I think it's one of the best ways to get to where you want to be.
It's going to pay off, and later on in your life, you will be able to finally get that dream job you want.